I moved to a new apartment and I had to reset my fios equipment. And besides waiting for the technicians to come, I had to pay at least $100 to set up the equipment. So I looked in the internet and I couldn't find any clip that can help me. So I decided to figure out myself and make a clip for my fellow countrymen who have the same problem as I did. So let's get started. First thing first, when the cable comes into your apartment, this is called fiber optic. From any window, any door that comes to your apartment. So the first thing you have to deal with is called optical network terminal, known as ONT. It comes with three models. For homeowners, Aris and Nokia 211. For business is Telaps. So this one, as you can see, is Nokia 211. This is the terminal. This is the battery. So the first thing you do, plug it in, the optical net cable, and then turn on the ONT by plugging it in to any outlet as close as possible. And it takes time. It takes a few minutes. As you can see, the lights are on. It takes a few minutes to reboot. As you can see, our network terminal is optical network terminal ONT is ready to go. The lights are on. As you can see, this is the power. This is the battery. This is the data. This is the network. And this is management. Okay. So, all you have to do, as I told you, it's a installation or reset for the equipment you already have. I'm sure you have these three coaxial cables, but if you don't have, or for any reason when you move out to a new place or new apartment you lost it, you have it three coaxial cables. It doesn't be a long one. 3 to 4 feet is good enough. Remember, let me show you one of them. It doesn't have to be different color, as long as it's a coaxial cable that both end has female connection. As you can see, it's a female connection. This one and this cable as well. And also you need a splitter. Any splitter can does the job. So by connecting this, you're gonna start by this, connecting to this. Doesn't matter the why this and the other end, doesn't matter, as long as we have one end connected to this part. And the other end of the cable has to be connected to optical network terminal, which is this area. We're going to connect this like this. Secure it. Make sure it's not loose. One more time. One end is connected to this, which is the first equipment that is connected to fiber optic. And then this, and you're gonna connect the other two other coaxial cables like this. One end here, as I told you, doesn't matter which one. So one more time, the coaxial cable comes from Verizon ONT optical network terminal, comes to this splitter, and here splits in two ways. One goes to router. One end is connected here. The other end goes to our router. In our case is fios G1100 or Gateway. So we're gonna connect to this like this. Secure it, as you can see, secure it. And then we need an Ethernet cable. It has, as you can see, 5 ports. One of them is in, 4 is outlet, inlet, outlet. They are color coded, 4 in yellow and 1 in white. So I'm going to connect this Ethernet cable like this, and the other end comes here. As you can see, again, to ONT cable. One more time. It has to click. Connect it here in this cable, on in this area. Remember, this is different from these jacks. This is Ethernet. These two are for the phone jacks, but this is for Ethernet, internet, and this is Ethernet cable. And then we're gonna turn on the router. Verizon or Gateway or whoever made this router made it easy for us, and they color coded. As you can see, this is green and this is green. So they are color coded. You're gonna plug it in here. All these connections are secure, and then you're gonna plug it in to any outlet and turn on. And as you can see, the lights are flashing, and it takes time to reboot. And then you're gonna get the other one, another coaxial cable that we already have, connected here, connected here. Secure and tight enough, and the other end has to be connected to TV set. Our TV set has to be here. This is our TV set, which is fios. This is TV set. Again, as you can see, it says cable. It's a coaxial cable. We're gonna connect it here. You're gonna secure it and tight it enough, and then you're gonna turn it on. I plug it in. As you can see, 12 volt DC. This is 12 volt. It goes here. You're gonna plug it in and turn it on. As you can see, the light is on. This is the flash. It takes time again to reboot. While it's rebooting, you're gonna have high definition cable that, as you can see, it says HDMI, high definition cable. So we're gonna connect this high definition cable. On the other end, we're gonna connect this to the TV set. I already connected here, but I'm gonna unplug it again, so you see it. There are 3 ports, as you can see. I'm gonna connect it to the first one, which is 1. It depends. Remember, any port that you connect to, you have to select it on the TV setup. So I'm gonna connect it to the 1. Again, I'm gonna connect it to that. The last but not least thing that I have to mention are these 2 phone jacks. As you can see, the package most of the time comes with a phone service. These are the jacks that those who have or use landlines have to connect the phone sets to these 2 ports or jacks. I don't use it and I don't connect it. I didn't connect it. But remember, these 2 port or jacks are for the phone services. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please feel free to ask any question that you have. I'm more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is Layla, my other cat with Kuchul. Both of them kept us company. Thank you.